Hello, kindergartners. This is Mr. Peterson here with Learn to Earn. I'm going to teach you a couple of the games that are on your mini bag of many math games. The first one is called I Spy. So I've set up some cards here, and what I'm going to do is I am going to ask my student, the person I'm playing with, to find different cards. So depending on what they're working on, I could ask them, "Can you find two cards that add up to six?" Right, and then they would pull those out and keep them. Or I could ask them for a card that is greater than or more than five, and then they could figure out which one is more than five, and they would pull that out. If they're working on subtraction, you could even ask them a subtraction question. But mostly, I think it's just counting and cardinality. So you're just looking for number recognition. Okay, so that's how you play I Spy. And then I'll also show you how to play practice counting. So if you take your cards, make a little deck out of them. So over here, ready to go. And then you take your little mini dice. So they flip a card. So it's a two, and then a four. And what they're going to do is count on. So they start at two, they go three, four, five, six, right? And if they get it right, then they get to keep the card, and then they would try again. So flip a card. Oh, we got another two, and then one. So two, three, and this is a great game for counting and for addition practice for counting up as an addition strategy. All right. And then the last thing you guys have is you have your tens frames. And you can use your tens frames with the dice, right? So they could roll the dice, and then they could note that many on the tens frame, and then you can roll it again and keep counting, and just go for that number recognition. Or you can flip a card. I think these are all little cards here. You could flip a card, right, and then put that many spaces on the tens frame, and just practice counting if they're still working on that. All right. Well, thank you. Have fun playing.